Good morning. It's day 3 of the project. It's 4th of July, 2026. We'll just do a little recap of what I got done yesterday and what the plan is next. All right. I know it doesn't look like a whole lot. There's a ton to go, but that's pretty good for a little subcompact tractor. As far as amount of material moved, the heat index, although, this morning it was 55 when I woke up. It's supposed to get to 91. But, yeah, so far so good with the little tractor. And it's very maneuverable in tight quarters. Anyways, it's hard to show on video, but we're making progress here. I'm at a point where we got to start worrying about the slope down. So I'm going to work on that today and cleaning up this area over here with dead trees fall with the high winds. I cut down some dead little pines over there. I've been trimming, getting rid of these railroad ties and making a path and through that gate over there so we can get to the backyard, the backyard, and collecting material from there. That's how you get a full bucket with the self-leveling motor. You don't know how happy that makes me to actually be able to drive through the yard like that. That's been the project. Even though it's like a little e-ticket ride coming up. If you're old enough to know what that reference, write it in the comments. Anyways, a little more work here. This little hump, I'm gonna smooth that out. There's a little stump here, a little stump. I've never dug out a stump. I don't know if I'm gonna try. We'll see. Anyways, we're getting there. And then after that, start cleaning this stuff up and going over, getting it out into the backyard, and one step at a time. All right, I think we got a nice smooth cut through the yard right now. I got a lot to clean up. I'm gonna make this look nice in the end. Really landscape it up. Aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna go take a break. I've been enjoying the music too much. I was just listening to Harvey Danger. I don't think kids know who that is. I don't even know most adults who know what that is, but yeah, making progress for an old guy with a small machine who's recovering from a stroke. I think we're getting there. There's the pool in the background. Someday that's gonna become a garden. Hopefully by the end of the summer. All right. If I don't film more today, thanks for joining me. I'm sure I'm a mess. And we'll see you soon.